Hey guys, so I'm finally able to do a hair tutorial on how I get my shiny voluptuous curls with a flat iron. I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step on how I do it and what products I use to maintain these wonderful curls for days, because it literally lasts with me for days, which is why I love the style. So I hope you guys enjoy and just keep watching. Okay guys, so step one is to put 1 to 3 pumps of the Rejuvenating Cream all over your ends. This is going to help repair all your ends. I do this every time I wash my hair religiously. Once you make sure that the product is all over your ends, you're going to wait 1 to 2 minutes so that the product can take full effect. The next step is adding dime to a quarter size amount of the blowout cream. This product is not only going to shorten your blowout time in half, but it's also going to protect your hair from the heat of the blow dryer. The next step is super simple. You're gonna basically just blow dry your hair. It doesn't have to be to perfection. If you would like to blow dry your hair to perfection, that is perfectly fine. I personally don't waste my time doing so, as I'm gonna use a flat iron regardless to actually do my curls. Okay guys, so here's the fun part. Once your hair is fully blow dried, you're going to take a very small amount of your hair and we're gonna start curling. I tend to pin up the rest of my hair up just so that it's away from the rest of the hair and I don't have to worry about it. Then I separate my hair in half and then I focus on one side at a time. So what I tend to do is I straighten my hair all the way down. You can either use a brush or you don't really have to. And then I tend to curl my ends before I actually curl my actual hair. And then after, I actually curl my hair away from my face. Guys, it's very important that you make sure that you curl your hair away from your face. And then what I tend to do is I get my finger and I do the curl effect on my hair so that the curls stay in place. You're going to use this technique every single time. Nothing's going to change. You're going to do the same thing here. You're going to straighten all the way down, curl your ends, and then you're going to curl your hair away from your face. Guys, it's very important that you split your hair in half so that you have a set of curls going away from your face on the left and going away from your face to the right. Okay guys, so once my hair is almost fully curled and all I'm missing is the top bun, I get a little bit of the Juvenique oil, I rub it on my hands, and I loosen up the curls. This is also going to help my hair feel hydrated, get a nice shine. I can kind of play with the flyaways, make sure that all my curls are nicely done, and to see if I have any hair that I have to also recurl. Okay guys, so now we're going to work on the top bun. What I tend to do is I split my top bun in half, and I'm going to start working on one side at a time. So I let one side get loose, and then I work on either the right or the left side first. I tend to do the same technique that I've been doing all over my hair, which is straightening it all the way down, curling the ends, and then I curl my hair away from my face. Okay guys, so once your hair is finally curled, you're going to get a little bit more of the Juvenique oil to loosen up your curls and also get rid of all your flyaways. Once you do that, you also make sure that all your curls are intact. If there's any of them that are really loose and you don't like them, this is the time to redo them and make sure that they're nicely curled. And then once you complete that, you're going to put your hair all to one side. This is going to make your hair look so much more voluminous. This is literally my trick. And this is going to make your hair look shiny, voluminous, and you're going to look incredible. So guys, I really hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions on the products I use or the styling tools I use, feel free to comment below or follow me on Instagram at _BeatriceAngelica. You can feel free to send me a DM and I will provide more information for you guys. As well, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys.